Hi guys, I have a very interesting video for you today. I'm going to attempt to curl my lashes with a blow dryer. I've seen videos and it seems too good to be true. So I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Hopefully none of my eyelashes burn off. Cause that would not be good. So, here we go. We're gonna try it. This will be fun. If anything else, it'll be very entertaining for you guys and for me. So we're gonna start out by putting on some of the transplanting gel on this eye. I've been kind of playing around with this eye, and I don't know if you can really tell right now. I tried curling this one, and I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so all right. So I'm just so you know, I have a mirror here. I'm gonna try to get close because I'm blind right now without my glasses. So I'm going to coat them very well with my transplanting gel. I'm sorry, just the thought of doing it cracks me up. But, you know, people say it works, so we're gonna see. If anything, maybe I can draw my eyelashes on. Alright, here's the fibers. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Sorry. I forgot. I'm videotaping. Silly me. And I'm sure you can see Maya in the background playing with my heels. When she should be reading and doing her homework.
I'm reading.
Mm-hmm.
What are you talking about?
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea what this lady is talking
Alright.
about.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and recoat them. I'm gonna put a generous amount because I want them to curl. We'll see how it goes.
It's probably going to go well or not so good.
Yeah, we'll see. We will see.
I'm guessing it's probably going to be good.
Yeah.
But if not,
Here's hoping. All right,
not really
so. All right, so here we go. I have my blow dryer. One thing is you want to make sure that it's setting on cool air, not hot air, because otherwise it will probably burn off your retinas or your eyelashes. So here we go. Cold. Oh, sorry. Hold on, let's see if we can see this one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Can you see?
maybe pretty good.
Looking up.
I don't know. Terribly wrong. I don't know. Let's go with
There's the other one.
Let's go with the maybe.
I think what the difference was with this one is that I just put the transplanting gel and I didn't put any fibers, thinking that maybe if I just got them wet that they would curl. But this one I put both. So I don't know, ladies, what do you think? Okay, I don't know. This was interesting, fun. I don't think I would regularly do this on an everyday basis, but you know, hey, now you can say that you've curled your eyelashes with a blow dryer. So, thanks guys. Have a good one. Bye.
See ya.